Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful Christmas beaded bead earrings. Here is how they look. They are really easy to make. I will show you step by step, and I'm sure at the end of this video you will be able to make them. For them I'm using superduo beads, or you could use asmara or twin beads, whatever you like. They are all the same. Here in fact I'm using asmara and twin beads, and I will give a link down in the description where I'm buying them from. They are my favorite beading store and they are present from them. And now I will show you how to make these beautiful Christmas earrings. And in my previous video I showed you how to make this beaded bead and put them on a chain, so you could make a beautiful set for a present or for yourself. And you could watch my previous video. I will give a link there in the right corner. I'm always listening to what you say. You told me that you want me to make more sets, and you told me that you want me to make more beaded beads, and because it's Christmas I'm combining all of your wishes and I'm making a beautiful Christmas set. If you want to support me and make me do more videos, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new videos. And if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. And now I'm going to start with a list of the materials. Hi there you guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 3 colors of twin beads, or here I'm using asmara beads, and these are twins actually, but they are absolutely the same, and you could use super duos for this tutorial. And I'm using here 11/0 seed beads in black color, and I'm using ear wires, size 10 beading needle, and I'm using a thread that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. And in fact this is a monofilament, but you could use let's say fireline or other beading thread. And I'm using here scissors, and now I'm going to put about 3 feet of thread on my needle, that is about 90 centimeters, and I will be back to show you how we continue. Okay guys, and what we're going to do here after we take the thread is to take 8 of these beautiful asmara or twin beads or superduo beads and alternate them with 11/0 seed beads. 8 of them. Okay, and I have 8 of these 2-hole beads and 8 of these 11/0 seed beads alternating, and I'm going to slide them down, and here I want to make a knot. And I'm making a knot by making a loop and going twice through the loop I've made. And then I'm pulling, and now this is what I have, this beautiful circle of beads here. That will be the center of my earring, or you could turn it into a necklace or a pendant. Okay, I'm going through some beads in this direction. You could go one more time around all of those beads if you want. Okay, now as I'm exiting from this twin bead here, you see, then I will go through its other empty hole, and I'm going to pull. Then I'm going to take 2 of these red 2-hole beads, and I'm going through my next twin bead, okay, or asmara bead, whatever you use, or superduo beads. Okay, and I will take 2 red beads more, and I'm going through the empty hole of my next bead, empty outer hole. Okay, then I will take 2 more, and I'm going to continue this until the end of this row the same way, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm just adding my last beads from this row, and I'm going through my next twin bead. And now, as I'm exiting from this red bead, I want to go, I'm going out of its filled hole. You see where my thread is, inner hole, and now I want to go through its outer empty hole. Okay, now this is what I do. And here, everywhere where I have a golden bead, I will add another golden and go through the next bead through its outer empty hole. And then here, everywhere where I have reds, I will put a black one in the middle, and this one is twin bead. Okay, you see they match perfectly. You can mix all the different brands and everything is okay. Now I have a golden, and I'm going through this red one here. Now I have a black one, going through this red one. Then I'm adding a golden one. Then I'm adding a black one. Then a golden. And a black one. And a golden one. And I'm going to continue this. Everywhere where I have golden, I add golden, and between the reds I add black. Okay, and I will meet you here. If it's too fast for you, pause this video, do this, and meet me here at the end. Okay guys, and now I'm adding my last black bead, and I'm exiting out of this red one, and then I will go through the next golden one. Okay, like that. I'm exiting here. If you don't see my thread, I'm exiting out of the golden, and I will go through its outer empty hole and change directions. And you see how my work starts bending at this side, and this is the wanted effect. Okay, now it's easier for me to flip my work this way because I'm right-handed, and working in this direction is really easier for me. And now in this row I'm going to add only red beads, twin, asmara, or superduos, whatever you have. Okay, and I'm going here. Okay, okay, the only thing I'm doing here is adding red beads everywhere. It's easy, nothing difficult, it's really easy. Okay, continue adding this. Going through the empty outer hole of your beads. Okay, and I will finish this row, and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and here I'm adding my last red bead. Okay, then what I want to do is go through my next red one, and I will flip my work this way because it's easier for me. And I will go through the, I'm exiting out of this hole, you see where my thread is, and I will go through the other empty hole of my bead here. And here what I want to do is add a golden, because you know wherever I have golden I add a golden. Okay, and I'm going through my next thread. And here guys, instead of adding anything, I'm just going through my next red bead because I want to decrease my work. You see here in the beginning I was increasing with 2 reds, And now I decrease the same way by going through 2 reds again. And now I need 1 golden bead, and I'm going through this red one here. And then I'm going through my next red one. Okay, and here I will add 8 goldens in total, and I will go through 2 reds at a time. Okay, I'm going to continue this. Okay, and I will add 4 more goldens the same where the goldens are, and I will be back up to here and tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and here I'm adding my last golden bead and going through these 2 reds, okay, like I did before, and I'm pulling. Now this is what I have. I have 8 golden beads here in the center, okay, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going through the empty outer hole of my next golden, just like that, and I'm taking 1 seed bead, going through my next golden one. Then I need 1 more, going through the next one, then 1 more, going here, and I will continue this until the end of this row, just connecting my 2 whole beads with seed beads. Okay guys, and now what I want to do is go reinforcing this part several more times. Okay, and now what I need to do is go here through one of my black beads, black 2-hole beads, if you need, go several more times here to reinforce your work. And now take 1 seed bead and then take your ear wire, okay, I will take it in this direction, okay, then I will take 1 more seed bead and I will go around this way in circle, attaching my ear wire, okay, and you could go reinforcing this part at least 3 times. Okay, and continue as many times as you want. And then when you're ready, you could go to the back of your earring and make a knot. Okay, let's say make a knot here. So what I do is that I make a loop and go once, then go second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and I will continue this several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay guys, so when I repeat this process one more time, my beaded bead Christmas earrings are ready. You see how they look? And you could combine them with the beaded beads I showed you in my previous tutorial, and you could make a beautiful set for a present or for yourself, or even for a sale. Okay, so if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new videos. And if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.